If Warhammer 40,000, Space Marine 2 shows mods detected and blocks online play, don't worry. This usually means leftover mod files or modified folders are still being detected. Let's fix it properly. First, close the game and launcher completely. Make sure Space Marine 2 is not running in the background. Next, remove all mod files manually. Go to the game's installation directory and delete any folders related to mods, such as mods packs use mods. Even disabled mods can trigger this message if the files remain. Now, verify the game files. If you're using Steam, right-click the game. Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. This restores original files and removes modified ones. After that, clear config and cache files. Check Documents and App Data folders for Space Marine 2 settings or mod cache files and delete them. These will regenerate automatically. Also, disable any mod managers you previously used. Close or uninstall them before launching the game. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again. Once only clean files are detected, the mods detected error disappears and online features work normally.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.